So, yesterday I spoke about the first 100 days in office should we form the next government after May's election, or today I am proud to publish that roadmap. We are coming in with a clear plan and well-defined objectives. We will set about getting the basics right with new leadership, new energy and new ideas. If the people of Wales put their trust in us, we have to be prepared to start paying back that trust immediately.
Mae cynllun blaengar gyda ni, un uchelgeisiol sydd ddim jyst yn ffocysu ar y 100 diwrnod cyntaf, ond mae'n paratoi ni ar gyfer llywodraethu. Mae pobl yn barod am newid, mae hynny yn glir ar garreg y drws.
There's an enormous prize awaiting Wales in the election in May. There's a chance for a fresh start with new leadership from Plaid Cymru after 26 years of Labour leadership. And it's our opportunity to make sure that that populist right wing in politics doesn't cause the harm that it would cause to Wales.
Ni yw'r unig blaid sydd yn sefyll cornel Cymru. A dyn ni am wneud yn siŵr ein bod ni yn derbyn yr arian dyn ni angen o San Steffan.
Choose the path that can let us prosper. Embrace change and all its promise. Set fear aside and find the courage to say that Wales deserves better than this. Elect the party of Wales as the party of better governments, for those who led the way and those whose legacies lift us, for the hope we can offer to those left behind or left broken, for those who will follow and whose fortunes will be forged by the fortitude we can show today, and for a nation that dares not just to dream but to do and to seize its moment.